Welcome friends. In today's digital solution tutorial, we shall learn about how to see the archived mails. For this, go to Gmail, tap on it. Then the system generally takes you to the Gmail inbox. Here you can see all the mails you have received. Now you can select one particular mail and archive it. For this, please long press on one particular mail. Here I am selecting ET Realty latest news. Then the system will select that particular mail. Now you can see there are three options which are appearing at the top of the screen. Now you please select the first option, which is archive option. Your mail is archived. This is how you can archive your mail. Once it is archived and you want to see the same mail, then tap on the three lines which are appearing at the top of the screen. Then system will prompt you all the options here. But you won't find the archive options here. But you can find your mail which you have archived in all mail options. Here you can see that all mail option. You can tap on it. Now you can see your mail. I have selected ET Reality latest news as my mail which I have archived it. You can see it here. This is how you can see the archived mail. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.